Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rich in the horse riding tails. So as you can see, I'm super rich and this works in iOS and Android, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's get straight into the tutorial, guys. I have like 9,000 and like 15,000, guys, so this is a no jailbreak method, guys, and it's totally working. So if you like to play horse riding tails, then keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version, guys. Guys, so as you can see, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys how to get rich in this horse riding tails hack. So what you need to do, guys, is go ahead and go to this website right here. So let me just go ahead and type it in for you guys. So once you're on the site, guys, go to the search bar and type in horse riding tails, and as you can see, it comes up. Press on it and wait for it to download. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, and I've already installed the mod, so I'm not going to download it again, but for you guys, just download it and enjoy. Horse riding tails coming at you from the dark side. So yeah, if you go to the App Store, you'll see this is super expensive. So let me just type it in. We'll do horse, and here it is, and then we go to the in-app purchases, and you can see it's super expensive. So you want to get everything for free, guys. Be sure to try my method out because it's super insane and it is totally working. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super crazy and it works on iOS and Android, guys. So no matter what device you got, you can try this out. So yeah, just go to the site and type in horse riding tails and you're going to be good to go, guys. So I'm going to see you later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super insane. Totally works. So yeah, peace out, guys. I love horse riding tails, and I've tried a couple different methods, and this is the best method for horse riding tails hack. So I will see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe. This is super cool and it totally works, guys, as you can see. So yeah, peace out, guys. This is super awesome and it's like no jailbreak needed or anything. So peace out. I'm just trying to bring this method to the masses here. So yeah, try it out, get the word out. Peace out, peace out.